everybody, guess what? We're going on a cruise. So we are getting ready to go on the Carnival Mardi Gras. We are actually driving to the port as we speak. But we're doing something a little bit different because guess what? My lovely mommy's coming with us. Say hey, mommy.
Hi.
So one thing we're going to do a little bit different and try to make sure that we capture on this particular cruise, and we are going on the Carnival Mardi Gras, the 7-day cruise, is we are going to use some special assistance features that you may not have seen us use prior. So one of the things we did is we are renting a scooter, so a mobility scooter. Now Carnival uses the company Scootaround in Orlando for their mobility scooters, and you can reserve them ahead online. Now prior to COVID, apparently they would bring the scooters to your stateroom. However, since COVID happened, and what I imagine would be indefinitely, they actually have the scooters outside at the pier. Come along with us, and we're going to go through the boarding process and try some of the special assistance options Carnival offers. So, see you soon. Alright, so we are at Terminal 3, and so for the Mardi Gras, you will actually drive in, drop off your luggage, and then continue up the garage where you will park.
When you guys come back from the cruise, make sure you bring it outside with you. You're gonna come out the customs doors right over here by the restroom.
Okay.
We're gonna be right across.
Okay.
Okay? And if we're not there, you can always drop it off on this section as well.
Okay.
Alright? Other than that, you good?
Yes.
Okay, so you can take the elevator to the 3rd floor.
Okay.
Come up on this ramp.
Okay.
Find here what special assist, okay?
Okay.
Shortest line.
All right, thank you.
Please have your boarding pass ready. Show the front of your boarding so that we can put you in the correct line.
Adjust to a snug fit by pulling the free end of the strap and tie any collar strings that may be on your jacket. Personnel in the muster station will instruct you on how to put on your life jacket.
Okay, so if something's happened, don't go any other place, straight ahead to C6.
What floor, sir?
7, please.
We're gonna go to 6. Good evening, everybody.
Okay, guys, guess where we are? That's right, we are back at Emerald's. Okay, so my mom dragged us here. Hi. Okay, she didn't drag us here, but you know, we were gonna come back and give Emerald's one more try. The first time we were up here, we did not enjoy it. Now, I did order something different. I ordered the crab Louis again that I ordered the first time, but this time I ordered some penny pasta out this kids meal. Not really expecting much, but Corey and Mom did order some more of the traditional New Orleans dishes, so we are going to see this second time around if they are good. So let's see what happens. Hey Mama, how are you enjoying your trip so far?
It's great.
Okay, give me one thing you've enjoyed and one thing you haven't enjoyed.
Sleeping in.
That is great. Okay.
No one calling my name.
What's one thing you haven't liked or was different than you expected?
Nothing really. Nothing really. The room is nice. The little patio that I have is nice. I don't have any complaints. Absolutely none.
All right. Oh, how's your scooter?
My scooter, because of my walking difficulties, is a godsend. But I'm scared it's making me lazy.
Well, what do you think about in terms of maneuverability and stuff around the ship? You know, we went into the casino, it was a little tight in there. Like, what have you thought about that?
Yeah, I went down the wrong lane and it was pretty much a dead end, so I had to back out. But other than that, most places are wide enough for this scooter. At least I can get in and out of my room on it without having to push it. I can sit on it and ride right out of my door, so that's good.
Okay.
It's narrow enough to do it.
Okay. Okay, so Corey starting off with those booting balls from last time. Let's see if they're any better
You know how
this
much I love them. I'm going to give you one so you can taste it too, Mom.
I don't have to give me a hold.
See?
Oh, that looks good. That looks good.
Here, I'm going to give you this one. I don't know what that's for, but you're going to use it.
It is. It's for sharing.
It's better than last time.
Is it good?
It tastes like it has seasoning in it.
Based on this, Corey, would you come here and get these again?
I think
No.
there's sour cream here.
So it's not good enough to eat again.
No.
Okay, but it
If
tastes
you like
better.
the sauce, well,
So now we're ready for the red beans and rice.
pretty good.
Okay,
Yay.
Highly seasoned, but not hot.
not spicy. Do you want some hot sauce? Do you want hot sauce? We can ask for it.
No.
Okay. Well, everybody check out my meal. Yep, I have nothing.
Dana got her crab Louis salad just like she got last time.
Yes, except I forgot to say no bacon, but that's okay. It's big enough to pick off. Yes, I'm picking it off. One moment. Last time I liked the first bite. It's just as I ate more and more, it stopped.
Drop my fork.
Yep.
That's all right.
You got
I'll
food
just
on the
eat
dress.
one.
That's all right. But anyway, so let's see. Like I said, I liked it last time. It's just the more I ate of it,
The more you didn't like it.
it just didn't taste it. I mean, it's still good.
It's good?
I like it.
Okay. Does it taste more seasoned this time?
Let me eat a little more of it.
Okay.
I'll let you know. But I mean, I think it's good. It tastes like eggs.
You said last time it was like bush. Crab bush.
So right now, I do taste more of the actual flakiness of the crab, and you can see it. Maybe last time I have more mayonnaise on it.
The asparagus is pretty.
So I'll let you know. All right, so what do we think of our oysters?
They're good.
Yay! Because you wanted oysters so bad.
Fried oyster.
Are you trying to get the seed out the lemon?
Yes, dear. I don't get to eat lemon seeds.
Time is never
Look at you.
That is it.
You want to get out and measure?
Thank you, guys.
Look at you.
How big it is? I just hit the trash can. That's okay. I could have hit something. What the I didn't realize it was sticking out that
It's alright. You still did it. You still did it. Okay, you guys. We hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you enjoy every single... Okay, you guys. If you enjoyed that video, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.